here today, and on the bench, we have
Traxxas Defender.
A TRX-4.
Traxxas Defender.
Blue. These trucks are really, really good crawlers. We have the Blazer, we got the Bronco, we got the Sport, we got TRX-6s.
We got a bunch.
We got a lot of Traxxas crawlers. We like these. They do excellent crawling.
Yeah.
They're pretty good. Pretty good. So some cool features on this truck, this scale and trail crawler. We have T-lock remote locking differentials. The transmission, guys, on this truck is high and low range, which is really cool. Metal gear digital servo. Torque twist eliminated in the portal axles. We got Canyon Trail 1.9 tires on this bad boy.
Guys, some other cool features are it's got the heavy duty extra wide rod ends. And guys, some other cool features are the 3S power system. You can also run 2S and 3S. It also has the aluminum GTS shocks. Yeah.
Guys, and on this, it has extreme capability of 57 degrees approach angle for those awesome trails and rocks. Scale detail. We will see when we get this thing out of the box, man. We got inner fenders.
Yeah.
We got a controller with cruise control. Grab a knife and get into this bad boy.
Yeah.
Get this thing out of the box. You know what I like about these Traxxas Defenders? They are cool looking.
Yeah.
I think they're really, really cool looking. Andrew, we'll spin this around that way because this is your truck, man.
Yeah. Oh, look at
Get
that.
this bad boy out of the box.
Got the spare tire on the back already.
Da, da.
Woo.
And he got the color blue.
Yeah, I did.
Got the transmitter and the styrofoam here. Let's just get rid of that
Yep.
stuff. All right, guys, and that is an empty box.
Yeah.
Too bad there wasn't two of them stuffed in there, huh? That would be pretty cool.
That'd be a special surprise.
All right, let's get in here to the bag here. Let's see what kind of tricks we got in here. I'm sure the old normal kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Another cool thing on these Defenders really is the 2-speed transmission, guys.
Yes.
You know, you get over to the rocks, you get over, you're trailing along, you know, cruise down the trail, you just pop it in low gear and hit the rocks, man.
Yeah.
And that's really cool. So we got some pins.
Extra pins.
You got your tools.
Mm-hmm.
Got an extra piece for posts in here for the body.
Yeah.
All right.
And then, like always, guys, you got some Traxxas stickers.
Cool
and you got
stickers.
your manuals right here.
Yep, got your books.
Guys, now let's get this plastic off this truck.
I like the smell of new vehicles. It smells so good.
Especially RC ones.
Before we get this thing out there and thrash, bash, and crash this thing in the woods.
Oh, yeah.
Because you know it's going to happen. Oh, wow. Look at that thing.
Man.
Man, that metallic blue paint job is just... Oh.
Man, guys, I'm really digging this metallic blue here. This looks pretty sick. I'm not going to lie about that.
I gotta say, this Defender has some really, really nice scale detail.
Yeah.
This paint job on this body looks superb. Oh, I gotta say, look how clean that looks.
Even in the back, guys, looks like you got a spare tire, maybe a jack over here, some oil cans.
Yeah, definitely a cool looking rig right here.
Yeah.
That is
Spin
definitely a
this
cool
around
looking
for you.
rig. Wow, clean. It looks just so clean, crisp.
Yeah.
Look at the paint on that. Oh, wow.
Man, this is a nice body.
Great looking. I mean, the snorkel all the way to the roof rack.
They did a nice job on this truck.
All right, let's get into this thing. Let's talk about this body. I mean,
yeah,
all the way from these fender flares that this truck has on it that are really, really scale looking. They look really good.
Yeah.
I mean, all the way to the gas cap, the filler. And we got some running boards on this truck. Really, really nice looking.
Yeah, we do.
The mirrors. Now, I'm not sure if these mirrors fold in. No, they are stationary. The snorkel looks realistic.
Yeah. This whole truck looks
tinted windows. It looks really, really good. And we even have the Land Rover emblem down on the grill right there.
Yeah.
Let's see if that camera will zoom in there, if it'll focus. Oh, wow. Sharp looking rig right here.
Yeah. What do you say? Let's get into this thing. Let's see what it's got on the inside.
Yeah, all right.
Now let's take this body off and see what it's got. Ooh.
All right. So, on the Defender body, guys,
looks like you got
these fenders are connected to the body on this rig. Unlike the other Bronco and the Blazer, the fenders are connected to the truck, where these are connected to the body on the Defender.
Yeah.
Part of that is I believe because maybe the spare tire is connected to the body, and I'm thinking it's all support because it is all connected in there and it all is supported together.
Yeah.
Holding that together. I mean, it really does look scale here. They did a really nice job on this Traxxas.
Yeah.
All right, Andrew, I mean, this truck has a 57-degree approach angle for this bumper. So that is a pretty steep angle. I think that's really, really good.
Yeah, you'll definitely be able to climb some pretty big rocks with that, guys.
Yeah, I think that'll definitely work. We've got, on this truck, you got your steering servo up in the front here. You have portal axles on these rigs, so you've got some nice clearance when you're hitting the rocks. So one thing you want to do when you put your LiPo battery in here, guys, make sure your ESC here is lit up with green.
Tell you
that it is
a
LiPo ready.
Yeah.
So your ESC is all running on LiPo and it's all ready to go for your LiPo battery, whether you're running a 2S or a 3S LiPo.
Yep.
All right, let's kick this
Turn
on.
that on.
All right, I'm gonna grab the camera here and show you that green light that is illuminated on that ESC right there. All right, guys, so Andrew's gonna flip that switch
for
up at the top.
Differentials.
And we're gonna see the servos move. All right, so that's locking your front, your rear. So what that switch does is that locks your front and your rear disc, all right? And then you got a red button here on your transmitter. That's gonna click your transmission into either high or low gear. You can see that servo moving down in there.
Yeah.
And you got the old steering servo working there. Guys, I will mention one thing in here, all right? Traxxas does put a plastic steering servo horn on these rigs, all right? You're not gonna get a lot of time on that.
No.
What you're gonna wanna do is just get yourself like a $6 or $7
steering horn,
and you won't have any issues after that.
No.
All right, because what happens is these plastic ones, they just strip right out.
Yeah.
When you're trying to turn the wheels, like you get it caught in some rocks or something. Want to hit the throttle there, Andrew? Let's see if this thing goes. All right.
That's low. Here's high.
Looks like everything works.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching this video of the Traxxas TRX-4 Defender. Please like and subscribe to our channel.
And smash that notifications bell,
so you get all the upcoming videos and you see all these cool rigs out in the trails and on the rocks.
All right, guys. We'll see you in the next video.